What is empathy? It's not about how awesome I am for sharing or solving a problem, but about thinking of the needs of others. And it's also absolutely essential to effective communication. Widely used in design thinking already, it can be employed in any subject, because in the end, it's really all about the audience.
Example.
There'll be examples throughout and tutorials at the end. Because empathy is thinking about other people. Report writing. We need to write it to the intended audience's level using words that speak to them. Is it a parent? Or maybe a blog post for other kids your age? A poster. Use the CARP principles of design to make it visually appealing and organized. There's a video at the end to help you get started. Creating an original icon? Is it immediately obvious what you are trying to represent? There's a video at the end to get you started with this too. How about an audio recording? Narrate more slowly than you think you need to. You know what you're saying already. The audience may need more processing time. Guess what? There's a video at the end on this too. A video. Keep it moving without too many breaks, but not too fast. That's right, there's another video for you. These are some simple, effective ways of integrating not only empathy, but technology into lessons for demonstrating understanding and imparting fundamental digital age skills. Now to the videos.
The world is a remix.